Insurance technology, or InsureTech, are companies that use technology to innovate and disrupt the insurance industry. It's been popularized by new products that capitalize on and disrupt legacy business models of established providers. Grandview Research projects that the InsureTech market will grow from $7.8 billion in 2023 to $154 billion by 2030. Bermuda has become a unique player in the space with progressive sandbox legislation that enables new market entrants to innovate and test new solutions quickly and cost-effectively. Susan, you've been on the island for 20 years and have had a lot of different roles. You're currently the deputy chair of the Business Development Agency of Bermuda. What are the elements of the organization that you're deputy chairing that help bring companies to Bermuda?
We really are responsible for foreign direct investment. We're responsible for sustaining, promoting, and protecting the economy and diversifying in an equitable way. And we do that by having signature events to draw investors and people in certain elements and certain pillars that we're looking to expand to Bermuda. So not only can they hear from people in business that are already successful in Bermuda, but they can also meet with the regulator, meet with government, meet with us, and really test the environment.
Bermuda is, of course, known globally as a #1 center for the insurance industry and now the burgeoning InsureTech industry. How do you think about diversifying the Bermuda economy?
That's a 60-year journey. And so to do that, you have to have the talent pool, the regulator, innovative business sector that's responding to global problems. And so if you look at that business and its success on 22 square mile island with 60,000 people and say, how did you do that? So the fact that we were able to do that and we continue to innovate and remain what I would arguably say is #1 in the risk and insurance space, we can now leverage that, right? And so we can leverage that foundation, those expertise, and the infrastructure that's in place to now pivot to areas like climate risk financing, to high net worth individuals.
What do you think would be the priorities then when you look forward of those different areas you're trying to attract? What's the top of your list and what's the roadmap to make it happen?
Well, the top of my list is technology, but I would also say the statistics show that technology is coming here in Bermuda probably is one of the largest segments of our growth that we've seen. And so technology is just a natural expansion, I guess you would say, of our ecosystem. And so the investors and kind of, what I would call seasoned and sophisticated capital and those investors understand and know where we are and who we are and understand that we are a blue chip domicile. And so investing then in technology and what I would call fintech or InsureTech businesses that partner with the same companies that are already established here to create business solutions kind of just makes natural and logical sense.
From your perspective, how does the island consider its constraints and navigate around them?
We work in collaboration. The public-private partnership is real. I mean, our government, I would say, has been visionary, certainly in the tech sector, in pushing legislation forward before any other domicile. I've worked in different domiciles. What I love to say is that we are a risk-based country because of the nature of the insurance our insurance business, right? Innovation is in our DNA. Risk-taking and analyzing risk is in our DNA.
Assessing risk. Well, one of the things that I think is very progressive about Bermuda and is really going to be a foundation of success, already is the sandbox license construct and having a regulator that's truly engaged. So how do you think about those sandbox licenses? And I'm sure you've got hundreds, thousands of applicants, everybody wanting to be able to take advantage of those sandbox licenses, but how do you properly assess them and figure out the right ones for Bermuda to support?
The key for us, different to other jurisdictions, you actually have to apply to get into the sandbox, right? It's not come one, come all. We are protective of our reputation. We're protective around compliance. So when folks are applying to get in the sandbox, you're kind of weeding out, right? And you're kind of pre-selecting those that you know are going to be fit for purpose. And there's, with 60,000 people and 22 square miles, I argue there's no better place to beta test